Commercial cleaning in Tampa Bay should be detailed and safe. The experts at Modern Cleaning Solutions provide just that. They are an environmentally friendly company that specializes in janitorial services for offices, medical facilities, churches, construction trailers, condo buildings, and daycares. Additionally, they offer carpet hygiene, floor care, bathroom deep cleaning, window and pressure washing to keep your overall workplace in perfect condition. The products and equipment protect the health of your employees and customers as the sanitizers used meet CDC guidelines to kill pandemic viruses.
Hi, I'm Jana of Modern Cleaning Solutions. We are a green-friendly company raising the bar for commercial cleaning in Tampa Bay, looking at not just for your business, but the environment as well.
Hi, I'm Javier. The health of your employees and customers is just as important to us as it is to you. Our processing methods improve indoor air quality by removing pathogens and dirt instead of just spreading them around.
For more information on the leader of commercial cleaning in Tampa Bay, or to schedule an appointment, call 813-900-0226 or visit moderncleaningsolutions.com.